Example 5. Austin made $55,000 in 2005. At that time, Social Security was 6.2% of income up to $90,000, and Medicare was 1.45% with no income limit. How much did she pay for both Social Security and Medicare, which are your FICA taxes, for 2005? Round your answer to the nearest dollar. So our first step is we need to find, so in step 5.1, find both Social Security and Medicare. So for Social Security, that was 6.2% of income up to $90,000. So the Social Security tax is equal to 6.2% of income less than $90,000. Well, that's a good thing because Austin only made $55,000. So we're just going to replace that right in here. So we're going to take $55,000, substitute it in, and we need to convert 6.2% to a usable value. So that's 0.062. Remember, we move it once, twice, 0.062, and then we just multiply. So 0.062 times 55,000, and we get $3,410. And that was our Social Security tax. Now we're going to find our Medicare tax. And the Medicare tax was 1.45% with no income limit. So Medicare was equal to 1.45% of income. So because there's no limit, and I'm still making $55,000, we just substitute in the $55,000. We convert the 1.45% to 0.0145, and then we multiply to find our Medicare tax. All right, so pull up our calculator. 0.0145 times $55,000, and we get $797.50. Now, it wants us to find the both of them. So our last step, 5.2, is total Social Security and Medicare. So that just simply means we take our Social Security tax plus our Medicare tax. Social Security we know is $3,410 plus Medicare, which we know is $797.50. We add them together, and we get $4,207.50. And now it says to round to the nearest whole dollar. So that's the 7. To round to that number, we got to look at the previous digit, which is 5. Since 5 is 5 or larger, we actually round up. Okay, so that means we round up. The 7 rounds up to an 8, and we put that as a 0, so we get $5,208 as our total FICA taxes.